Hi, and welcome back to yet another episode of Luca's Cooking Show. And in today's episode, we'll be doing something a little differently. Today, we'll be making a heterogeneous mixture. Now, what is that, you may be asking? Well, a heterogeneous mixture is a mixture in which particles are not uniformly dispersed, like what I'm about to make here. Let's get to mixing. First, we'll start off with some flour for substance. Alright. Then, we'll have some coffee grounds for flavor. Then we'll get some applesauce, for a little texture. And then finally, some peanut butter for protein. Let's start mixing. As you can as you can clearly see, it's not uniformly dispersed within the water. It looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait to try it. I love that. Just like Mama used to make.